It was a calm summer night in Frosty Hills. The moonlight bathed the empty streets as Milo and Penny heard a distant jingle, the unmistakable tune of an ice cream truck. But who sells ice cream at midnight? Milo took a lick. The ice cream was delicious, until the scoop giggled back. Suddenly, everything around them twisted, turning the neighborhood into a carnival of candy nightmares. With Penny's quick thinking and Milo's bravery, they reprogrammed the ghost detector to trap Mr. Choco back inside his truck. The jingle slowed down, and the night returned to normal. Almost.